Hi everyone, welcome back to K London. So I'm sure you can hear that in the background. Can you hear it? What is that? What is that? It's fireworks because today is November 5th. And not only do you guys probably know that I love fireworks, you also know that I am a Londoner, K London and all of that, born and raised in London. So, November 5th celebration is called Bonfire Night because someone tried to bomb up the Parliament in central London, and they managed to find him with, I have to get the real story because I'm just paraphrasing, with tons and tons of ammunition ready to bomb up the UK government's, pretty much their headquarters, right? And so every year on this day, for the I don't know how much decades and probably centuries, they have celebrated this. However, my problem today is that for the past year, everything has been increasing because of COVID-19, inflation, and price gouging, and everything going up, food, petrol, gas and electricity, everything is going up. My problem today is not that they're celebrating Bonfire Night, right? Guy Fawkes is the man's name, Guy Fawkes. My problem is that England, this nation, is so hypocritical. I don't watch TV, but when the TV comes on and there are like panels of conversations about things that are happening, the increase in the cost of living and things like that, right? People with big jobs like teachers and nurses, doctors, and all sorts of people come on crying about not being able to afford things. Like I said, gas prices and all sorts of things that are going up. They literally cry broke. However, since I think Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, yesterday, Saturday now, right? It's almost 8 o'clock PM. They have been doing fireworks. Fireworks can't feed you and your children. Fireworks can't make your house stay warm. Fireworks can't put your cooker on. Fireworks can't take you to work in the morning. Fireworks cost money. So you are spending money that you didn't have a little while ago to pay for these necessities, and you are lighting up the sky. For a man that did this crime how long ago, right? He's gone. You're here with your family and you can't afford to pay for these things, but you can afford to buy fireworks. You can afford to buy fireworks. Now, my sister normally gets the fireworks that we do for my sister's anniversary. So when my little sister passed away, we decided that we would, on her birthday and on her anniversary, right, the day that she passed, we would light fireworks because she was a light in our life. So as a symbol, we do that. I just asked her how much they normally cost, right? She said, I never spend more than £30. We get a big, massive, I think it has 100 that goes off all in one row. We get sparklers and we get a few other variations of things. And she said it's never more than £30. They've been doing it for 3, 4, 5 days. Imagine how much it's costing. And they're so hypocritical, and that bothers me. It bothers me so much that you can moan about not being able to afford the daily necessities, the things that we need to survive, but you can afford this. No matter how much I love fireworks, the light, the colours, right? This to me is hypocritical 101. If you want to know how to be hypocritical, if you want to know how to cry and get attention, but then to do the opposite, it's England. And the problem that I have with England, I'm sorry, I am from the UK, right, is they find fault in other people, other nations, but they don't see their own faults, and that bothers me. Like I said, I do enjoy seeing fireworks, but this is something else. You can afford this. You can afford this. leave a comment to let me know what you think, because I had to let it out. I'm sitting there in my room, and like I said, I love fireworks. However, this don't make no damn sense. Can you pay your water bill next week? Can you put gas and electric in your house so that you and your children can eat and have warmth? Can you go to work with petrol in your car? Can you go and buy food shopping, healthy food? That's the big question, but you can afford this. So I just came in the house from my rant and they're so gone. Hey, 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 hey. If you need anything to warm me up, if you need anything to make you happy, right? If you need anything to move your body, it's Soca. For whining like that. For whining like that. For whining like... You know, I haven't put my hair back in one for such a long time. Your body good though. I look like I'm bored when my hair's back in one. Hey, hey. Look at the moon, you guys. It's very cloudy today. It's just glowing. I absolutely love the moon. Like, there's just... I don't even know how to explain it. You guys know, since I've had this camera, what was it, the end of 2020? Oh gosh, I've just made me jump. I've just been admiring the moon because this camera zooms in over 100 times. It's just a ball of light. I love it. And all the detail. Oh, it's amazing. Lord of mercy, look at the price. Look, 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 look. That's a whole week of food shopping. That's also petrol in your car. You guys, my dairy-free butter used to be £1. Now look. No joke, you know. So, I might be allergic to tomatoes. So I just looked at them and I was like, oh, I'm not going to eat you guys until I get confirmation that I'm not allergic to you. Because as well as it being, okay, I think the word is lectin or litichin, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's not good for people with eczema, but it's also not good for people that have arthritis because of their joints and stuff. So if you struggle with arthritis in the winter, stay away from tomatoes. But for me, I've got to have a new allergy test to get confirmation because I really love tomatoes. You guys, how beautiful is this? Can you see what it is? Wait, I don't know if I can show. Yeah, I can't check out the camera because obviously I'm holding this, yeah, but it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I wanted ackee and saltfish for my Sunday dinner, yeah. The saltfish is here, but guess what? No ackee. They ruined my plan. They ruined it. And there's no point in getting the saltfish now because it will still be here next week. The problem is the ackee. Oh, it's a lot of water. No, you don't. Whoa! Let me see. Oh, and I'm saying that's a lot of water. Look at the difference. Yo. No, wait. Look at the difference. That is a dry. Oh God. I'm still annoyed though. I really wanted ackee and saltfish and rice. Lately I've been going through something that really has me. Actually, I rebuke that because everything's been good. You moved the camera. I'm having some church up in here. Jesus, your love is so amazing. Hey, it gets me high up to the sky. And when I think about your goodness, it just makes me wanna. Hey, you wanna see me stomp? Makes me clap my hands, makes me wanna dance and stomp. Hey, 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 hey. And in the meantime, my earpod is falling out. This thing does not like me. Lord have mercy, you've got a Chris shop. Can you get these ones for me? If it's higher than 5'3", then no. I have to use hand gel to clean it. What the blimmin'. So annoying. Going right across the floor. We having church, we ain't going nowhere. GP, are you with me? We're having church. Sunday. No, it's Sunday when you're watching this, but it's Saturday when I'm feeling it, filming it. Make me clap my hands. Makes me wanna dance and stop. Oh, 22. No. I'm filming. What is wrong with you? You guys, I've got this problem again. I need a new umbrella because the one that I bought a couple of years ago and I did the wind test in Sainsbury's is broken. The umbrella literally falls off the stick, so I've had to be bringing the big massive one that's literally almost my height with me every time I go to work, because anyhow it rains and I get wet, I'd be very, very, very unhappy. And I went to work on Thursday and it didn't rain, so I wasn't happy about that either because I carried it for no reason. However, now I've got to test these again. The only good thing about this is, wait a minute, that it does that. This is my wind test. That's not so bad. That actually feels quite strong. Okay, maybe this one. That feels quite strong. The things you have to do to make sure you're spending money on good quality stuff, it's no joke, you know. Okay, and then it has that button, so I like that. Ease. I wish it would bring it back in as well. Lazy. This weather is so up and down. The sun was out and blazing a little while ago and now it's raining. But I'm gonna go because I was gonna go outside and so I was gonna get dressed and you know, but no point now chucking it down. But I hope you enjoyed this video and I really would like to hear your perspective on the financial issues that the country has and how they disregard it when things like Bonfire happens and all of a sudden they've got money, unless they all bought it on their credit cards and now they're in debt. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment and have a good day wherever you are.